Hi, this is Rick. A question was posted, how do I make a banner image smaller in Blackboard? So really it's a question of how do I resize an image. So this is a quick little video to show you how to take an image, open it up into the SnagIt Editor and resize, and then I'll also show you how to crop an image as well. So the image we'll use is this picture of Peel Castle on the Isle of Man. Notice that so this is pictures displayed in my web browser. You can tell my cursor, it's not its actual size. My cursor has a little magnifying glass with a plus on it. If I click that plus, that'll then display the image in its actual size. So this is like way too big for me to use. Certainly it's a Blackboard image, so I need to edit this down. So right click on the image, save image as, to save it locally to my desktop. And I can legally do this because I'm the one who took the picture, so no copyright issues there. And so then let me minimize this. There is the image on my desktop. Right click on it, open with SnagIt Editor. So SnagIt's a tool that is on everyone's computer in FCPS, and you can use it. The editor tool is built in, so you can use that SnagIt Editor to resize and also crop an image. So to resize, so notice it came in at 15%. It's been shrunk to fit this screen. If I want to show it actual size, I could do that here, show actual size, or I could also go up to View, Actual Size, and that's its actual picture in all its bigness. So to shrink it down, to resize, right next to there, this shows how many pixels the image is, width and height. I could also get here if I went to the image drop-down menu and did resize image. It takes me to the same place. So the width and height are listed in pixels, like how many dots on the screen it takes up, and you just type in a number. Let me take like 2000, and notice when I change the width, it also changes the height, so the aspect ratio is locked. So that's still not small enough for me. So let me take it down to, say, 1000. Okay, that's pretty good. So for me to work with. So I will apply that. So that's resized that image. And if I were done, I just do File, Save As. If I want to give it a new name. Oh, you can't see the screen. Okay, so I'll save it. Same image name, smaller, save. And if all I wanted to do was resize the image, I'd be done. But I also said I would show you how to crop the image. So, you know, like a Blackboard banner is kind of long and narrow side to side, not as, so get rid of this height, but keep the width the same. So rather than resize, I will crop that. So let me change my view to shrink to fit. Now view, shrink to fit. Okay, so that's the whole image in the editor window. And then I'm going to use the crop tool. So go up to Image. Oh, where's the crop tool? Fill, shape, and pause. I'm going to pause the video and see if I can find the crop tool. Okay, so to crop the image here in SnagIt, we actually go up and do the selection tool, and then just draw a box on your image around the selection you want to. Oops, cancel that. I don't want to move anything. So Control Z, undo, move the selection using these little black handlebars. That's pretty good. Okay, so that is the section of the picture I want to use as my Blackboard banner. So with that section of the image selected, right click on it and crop. There it is. It is now wide but not tall. And let me save that image. File, save as. Smaller and cropped. Okay, save. So then that is the image I've got saved locally, and then I could upload that to Blackboard as my course banner, which is a different skill set, so I won't put that in this video. So hopefully that answers your question. So to sum up, we saved an image locally, we opened it in SnagIt Editor, and then while we were there we did two things. We resized it, and then we cropped it. Have any questions? Come on, see me, and we'll go in more in depth.